Hublay pi barua pi ape ekrikasi channel yung ras pi katup Khubor jong ka Taiew menta ini pai menta skimat bakongsan point rip kandai persen ke nong tap vote ki bawan ban ai ki vote jong ki nreu statement step poi menteri rang ba ban tap vote wat hapdeng uslap lapen kod yang shat suk men sim hakarukom ka bi isyong kun kwa ka USTM banten kloy ka jingarap pisa na ka sarkar bat ki wei de ki Khubor ini apai menta ki Khubor banya u chief electoral officer ka jila u BDR Tiwari haga singi palai ka tashi singi shwa bagi pai ba kenjiet ya uneka MP ki ban mikmat ya ka jila shadorbar lok sabha ulaong ba hajala Meghalaya ki don arli ki seat ka Shillong parliamentary seat bat ka Tura parliamentary seat bat ki don chipongut ki kertong ndriungut na Shillong bat sangut na Tura parliamentary seat bat ulaya thuru ba ka jingdon jong ki nong tap vote kalakot shadu arpo arlak apun riu hajar sanspa an riu punyongun nakini shipolak kandai hajar sanspa kan nyongut ki de ki shenrang kat wailak arpunyo hajar sapunyongut ki de ki kentai palangut ki de ki third gender.
As you all are aware, Meghalaya state is also going to poll for the Lok Sabha elections 2024, which is for the 18th Lok Sabha. On first phase on 19th of April 2024, and voting time in Meghalaya will be 7 a.m. in morning till 4 p.m. We have total 2 Lok Sabha seats, 1 Shillong ST which contain 36 assembly segments and 2 Tura ST which contain 24 assembly segments. There are 10 altogether candidates across the state and 6 in the Shillong parliamentary constituency and 4 in the Tura parliamentary constituency. We are having total 22,26,567 total voters, out of which 10,99,517 male, 11,27,047 female and 3 third gender voters. So if we see the increase in voters, that is 51,331 more voters in compared to last year's assembly election, and 3,15,195 more voters in compared to previous Lok Sabha election 2029. We are having 633 average electors per voter. So first time voters, there are 31,247, total 11,720 PWD voters, 10,185 year plus voters, 5 overseas voters, 100 year plus voters are 341 and 3,884 service voters. Altogether we are having 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 are urban and 3,186 are rural polling stations. So we are having total 88 polling stations, all women managed, and 60 model polling stations and 10 PWD managed polling stations. So total polling stations which are not totally accessible up to the motor vehicle are number of 50, and we are having webcasting in 1,886 polling stations. Other polling stations will be covered through the video camera or micro observers and other ways. Out of total polling stations, 762 polling stations are P-2 polling stations, where the polling parties are supposed to go 1 day in advance. So in all 762 polling stations, polling party has started yesterday on 17th and they reached in their respective polling station. And for other polling stations, which are around 2,750 P-1 polling stations, all the polling parties are already dispatched and they are arriving in their respective polling stations. Out of total parliamentary two parliamentary constituency. In 33 Ramrai assembly segment, 17 Namspung polling station is having 1,274 voters in Shillong, and in Tura, that is 12 Chapmari in North Tura assembly segment and having 1,324. So that is the largest PS as per number wise, and with the lowest number in the Shillong, 82 Kamsing polling station in Amlarang, where the polling party have to go by vote, and 56 Pottage Singh in the Ranikor, and both are having 36 voters. And in Tura parliamentary constituency, Nari Creek polling station in Williamnagar having 85 voters is the lowest polling station in numbers. So we are having 133 polling stations altogether in network shadow areas, and total 409 polling stations are vulnerable and 29 are critical. 187 polling stations are bordering Assam, and 140 polling stations are bordering Bangladesh. 128 polling parties are reaching to polling stations through the state of Assam. As per area wise, if you see the West Shillong Parliament assembly segment in the Shillong, it is having only 2 square kilometer area, and Mawson Route is the largest in area wise, having 1530 square kilometer. So as per the assembly segment wise, Dalu is having smallest number and Maulai is having the largest number of voters.
Habay kren bat kilat patay Khubor menhaga kat kandai tarik uyayong kabalong kasngi tevun u CEO BDR Tiwari ula pintip ba hadu ka sansteng janmit jong kati kasngi ka jingpoi jong kinong tevut kalalong kumban rip kandai persentam.
Atkum ka jing ai jing kain katanat election ka jila ka jingpoi tevut ha baro nrupo tali ki assembly constituency ka jila hadu ka posan baje janmit ka kot yakan rip kandai point kandai pawai persen. Hasilong kibala poi ban pendep ya kajing tepwot kalakot sha nyopo point 8.2% katba hatura kalakot ya kan rup kendai point lai pawai persen.
Happy to inform you that elections for 18th Lok Sabha is being completed very peacefully and election has been conducted very smoothly. So till 5 p.m. whatever tentative report which is yet to be finalized, and there were number of people still in queue. So the figure is 69.91% overall voting, in which Shillong PC having 70.26% polling and Tura having 69.31% altogether. So assembly segment wise report will be shared in the media group for your information. In each and every district, polling parties has reached safely and no incident anywhere, and all the elections happen in very peaceful and very festive manner. In respect to the machines are concerned, so during mock poll, there were few machines have been replaced. So total 26 number of BU, 32 number of CU, and 64 number of VVPATs been replaced during the mock poll, and during the polling time, the total replacement of BU is 21, CU 22, and VVPATs 55. So all together, including mock poll and polling, total 47 BUs, 54 CUs, and 109 VVPAT got replaced. And all replacement happened well within time. So everywhere there is no law and order problem, no any other incident, and all the election held very peacefully. There was a webcasting in 18 186 polling stations. So that has been monitored properly, entire polling process, and so far we have not received any violence or any such incident. So today's polling is gone very well, and we were yet to get the final figure when the presiding officer's diary and all the tally will be completed. So final figures will be communicated accordingly to all the media persons subsequently. So thank you, all of you, for all your cooperation, support, and as teamwork, so we become able to conduct these elections very smoothly and peacefully. Thank you.
Ka MP Natura ka balong ka kertong jong ke NPP ka agat ha ke sangma kalapoy ha Walbagri polling station ha kapor hinyo steng min step pantep yak vote jong ka.
Ha kane ka jingle thep word la yo I ba ki don bon ngut ki brew ba up la pali ban yo thep word.
Generally, you know, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
So what are the core issues that affect the locals in voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace, and when I say development, it also includes employment. You know, people want good infrastructure, they want their governments to provide good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, you know, fulfilled and delivered on these promises.
So we have seen that females are participating in long high numbers. What will you say about that?
This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, you know, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and, you know, a duty to come out and vote.
Ka jing thep word na ka benta banjit economic mat sha ka darbar yeng thau ain kari India ka Lok Sabha kala long ha ka khat khandai terik uyayong arajar pusau la ban yo I ki pai ba economic man bat kum juru ki kertong ki balawan ban thep bia ka word ka jongki ha ka shilong parliamentary seat la don hadu nriungot ki kertong ki bayakhon ya ka ne ka election ki bakan thop ya ka NPP VPP, RDA, INC, but Arngut ki independent.
Elections in Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now, that is something which we have to deal with you know, in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening. Poking each other, pushing people to say regretful things. This is something which Meghalaya has not seen. And this dirt that they have brought along into this political scenario of Meghalaya is regretful. very, very regretful. I have been actively involved in politics since I was like 8, 9, 10 years old. I've never seen this hate. Now that is dangerous because that is what is going to destroy us.
Ma'am, how confident?
Confidence. This is the first time I have fought the MP election. I will not say I'm confident. I will say that my team has worked well. My party has coordinated very efficiently this one time. Every soldier is on the ground. Every member of the party is actively involved in this garnering of support for the party. And if you ask me whether or not that will yield positive results, I believe it will, because every boot on the ground is aggressively fighting the hate politics that has emerged in the state of Meghalaya in just this one MP election.
Kum ka party ni don ka jingkermen ka kraw ka election kam tam habang snow gi Khubor na kaling sodong na dang step kibri kibala dek ban yang lain dek kapor into san baji into ka te kai ka dak ka ba snow tanat ba ba wala tharang shisha ya kata ya ka ngasngi bat dei kata hilom ka dak ka ba pau jom kata gajing terang gajing anut jom ki ban I no ya gajing kala ganika kenti
banaka liang jonga agani kenti mta ada la ya ban pendep la ka jonga hok bad ka jonga kamram ya ban thep ya ka bot ka ba kodor ka jonga bat ngadon ya kata ka jingkmi lenti ba hakani ka por kamta ki pajba no sosnong ba I jonga shlong parliamentary constituency kinemi sakhamat ya kaban le thep ya ka bot ka jongki da ka jingkermen ba da ka jingkmi lenti ba kin thep nam ta ka lawe ka ba pernai nam ta ka jingeda ya ka ri ka je menru bot ka jala ka jongi nam ta ban penep sa ya ki riti ki dustur ki snap ki bakar pang bat kumju ru da ka jingtmu ya kaban kin Taiew ya ka ri bat ya ka jala ka jongi haki liang barok ngakan tu ya ki pajba no song jong ka shalong parliamentary constituency ya ka ba phinya mi setrhem ban lej ban padan kam hok ya ka hok ya ka ba ka riti penyet kam jong ka ri India kal IFP lej sakmat ban ya thep ya ka bot ka ba ka kodor ka jong phi hoj ni yo I hai kini ki khandiat kanta ba ki nong song snong kila ya mi setrhem ban ya thep ya ka bot ka jong ki pan mi lenti ba kani ka jinge jit ka ba ta ka ra ya shimut ba ki jing bha gi jing mentoi ya ka jala ka jongi parok koi
chen ke long bet man ka san snam te ke kamram ka jongi kum ki banyak snong ki dala doni kata ka benta bangin lej ba je di ekonomi smart dengan penpau bangin for ya ka jing soknan wala ada pendep ya ka kamram ka jonga banjit ya ekonomi smart balai ban smart yang desa Delhi te nak liang jonga kumu emily nasoba ket blok ket wiang ya MP ban sajop naga one long parliamentary constituency but Khubor ya ka jingkar pat ba kathong ba takmat ka ba MP ke lai ban mikmat yang istadi kalong nak banca ban Taiew ya ka roi ka pat nangta panisai ya kijige jong ki ba kepada jong ka jela ka jongi kata ketika thong ba matam bat napan pau ya ka jingsongu baka isoburam ki ba jong ka konsensi borokwe ki bala yami ban laiban thep ya ka buat ka jongki bat ngakat pa tu ba itu ki badang don halaye bagi nemi
ban nalayem kilek ban tep ban pendep e karmam kujuki nang ba ginyo ban pen scam e kataka rai kaba ni kum ki pajba ngiton na kementa bangin pa I MP Desa Delhi
ki kum ki nong song snong jong gari India bro kowe kani ketika lat ka bangin yo ban pen I ya kijing sngo ko jong ni ta ka bangin jet ya ki nong nikmat ki jong ni ha ka bai de bat ki member of parliament hang thi ko ka dor barba ko parliament ka ba kentup ya ki san spa sau pulai ngot ki member of parliament mandagasngi kum u wei na ginong nikmat jong ka jela Meghalaya ba bagi tip bagi election commission kala penbet bagi jeng tebut apo ka one long parliamentary seat kade Madagascar ka khat khandai dari jong April jong next year araja arsau ba nagaliang jong ahi simet ke ying kesem ila pendep ya ke jeng tebut Madagascar aga ba kade kedak ba ila yo ban teb ya kebut ha kade ka sini penjit ya kinong nikmat kiba ngingin pak sya ke do barba parliament kum u MLA jongka Khemri boy nang ni nanong ko na sungo ba ban kentu ya ki nong sok snong ru bangin ya mi bai ba na ka ta bangin tep ya lagi jong buat banjit ya ginong nikmat ki jong so ban kentu ya ki long ying ki long sem ki long kemi ki long pa ki khun samla ki bala khat pas nem cheneng makin ya mi bai ba mdi ban pensep ya ka buat marka kidon ki para nong song snong di jongi ki ba snojai tu ban le thebut haka election la ga de MP lene ka MLA lene ka MDC khamtam ha ka MP election I bagi pai ba I khamduna ki be wan ban yami tendering ha ban pendrung kan ji kosutu ya ki pai ba ba kolong ba kongsan hadu kata-kata ba ngin thep ya lagi jong but ngin jit ya ki nong nikmat di jongi bat kimat ki ba kongsan hi ha bangi kren sifang ka parliament abang keren ya ke dor barba parlimen ki isu abang jet ya ki MLA lane ki MDC kaya fair abang jet ya ki nong nikmat sa parlimen hikum kimat ki badang sateng jong jela ke jongi banyak sat parlimen na kawanta ban pendrung ya ki khasi ha ka kernit ka bakra ka bede bad ki isu ban yo ya ka inner line permit lane ka ILP na ka sarkar pedeng bagan ai ka sarkar jela bat ka bakongsan isu gibade bat kene ka jingya lenti jungi kung pajba kene ka jikerdu kam kerdu jam ka unemployment komno bangin wanra ya kijing penmang pisa lane investment sya ka jela ke jungi ki member of parliament ki bangin jit nya ban perkhat ba bayano ngin pha ki bala ban ya site hang thia podor ba parliament ki bala ban khun ban wara aru ya ka jing mentot ki scheme ki project ki investment lani kijing pen mang bisa kenang ba kenika lat di kami jam kanton na ka banta jong ki kun samla ki bi ki jong ki babun ki ba ha kenika juk ke jong ki banta ki don ha pedeng ke jing leng a ba kanta te ki don sibun ki kun samla ki kimi ki paru ku juk ki bayai pos ni orang pos makno bagi kun ni jeng kini kami jam nde tangga kam sarkar ka nungut ya la ban ai tendre kini ki private player mengikut ki investment ki company aba ki wan apa ga jela ke jeng kini kami jam hi kun sam lagi jeng ni gi dak kisin ki bebun aga jeng la jong ka sarkar jela aga jeng la jong ki MP ban ya keren ban ya sat ko mungkin dan cibun gilat ke lenti banwara ya ki hukum kini bat kiwi di isu ki ba kongsan kade bat ki national highways kabade bat ki medical college kabade bat ki university state university kabade kam bat ki wing jeng kam ki bugun ki bangi ki dang dang ka ba kongsan ka long ba uno la ne kano ki ba ngin jit ha ne ka por bangin pha ang ki dor ba parliament ka ki katok ne ki mat ki mat ki ba ken hap kan site kan ko ngamut ban ong ba kin la ban le season le ya baro tendre kala de kapor ka ba kum ki pat ba ngi ha ban perkhat ha bangin jit ya kinong nikmat ki bala ban contribute ki badan ke jinge de ka ba jan ru bat ka sarkar pedeng bat kenta ter kita ki tigir kom perkhat ki bangi habdan na kam ta ke jing mentoy jong upat ba jong ka jela jong ni da ka baklet ya kajing snow niam daga baklet ya kajing snow bahaying daga baklet ya kajing di perlok mana githap la dangin personong rim hagini daga mot bakan umpoi snow dangin pet ya ka banung kulum lang nang ta banjit ya ki nong nikmat kita gede ki mat so bangun siap.
Expecting them to like improve the education here, because I see the education is very poor nowadays here in Meghalaya, and mostly the economy is very decreasing. The GDP of our state is decreasing day by day. We are not having good source of income for the general public. So we want that we improve here, get some more jobs and business.
Ngadap dah kejing semua keman Banglayu ban vote entas ni ban kene kade kasian baningkong Banglayu ban vote haka election but nga khmi linti ru ba kino ki MP ki bajob how news nam kinyalam sha kejing bha but haka roi kapar jong jela Meghalaya haka baningkong ngai ngo yublei ai lat nga ni bangani nga kene ka khidmat kene kasni hoit kunga kumway nong song jangan aga jela asngo kumbang dap dag jingkerman mangayo kumway benjit ya kinong mikmat abang ai ke jela ke jongi ke dap dag ram sudah bat kadap dag jing bamsap sudah hendai kumtang layo benjit ya nong mikmat asngo dap dag jingkerman hoit habaningkong asngo ngam sngo thu sngo thau yo eng enjit hendai habau bleu lapil lat lengan kelenti ngalawat ke jingtip ya nong enjit dengan asngo dap dag jingkerman angita kudus kajing angnut kajonga kawai kedai kaktin katlik nabala daga im kaktin kajai bener ga im kapaar kalong ya ka try melu try jaka subu lada ngi kum ki khasi ladang im dan yang jaka hang khasi te shanong in pet nabang ka try jongi kedai nang ne te lada gidon yang ka try melu jaka ni smutu bangi dang im kata jaka
to akan dikasih idon akan dikasih politician yang berkerai macam taban siap yang kena buat MP kini hoy ni sempau kini semua yang beli nama bah ni bangi kajpak yang senang dong ni kena politician dia ambil renti dan siap dikena MP election dan senam banyak jual buat kiwai pat kisnam kalau dia ambil renti mah kita senam kani kedai kejing kram yang penbak ini saya dan kejing kelah agak susah ada tam ni ki red pipe ni ada angnut maka susah kadar senang ke baik ke ni dan ru ke yang angnut unu kandidat ubah job bukan ke tem ke bamtang ni angnut ba senang lawan penurlong ya kejing angnut yang kejat penreu ka sensar khadari ka ba khuj ka tin kasi ka IRP ka ba ka kejat penreu ka khi ka sar ka kata ka long ka ba ngiru kami nong senong yang nut lau dei no kandidat dei ban pej ya ka kia ka shon jong ka kejat penreu kata ka bang ngimi ro industri kalau ban penurlong yang baik yang menurut kami boleh sebut.
Mentaro kam ha pi MP tenin parti dayo residen tangkat nasional penrei kadu api MP temu ni kuat uba start uba sempang uba la bandai hakino begini lang uba pelik ke parang bukunta Kina ikini MLA kami ada ya persambat ke Assam te Assam haka met ka ya buka drong ka but ka star ko ba pedmu bala rim wala sa keno ba katu ka jing ayu ka asam hati kaput umi tang sisen aduk muntah diberi ke ba salak ke banang nama karo hikai ki konna do dang ret bau start banyo pisah ban sangi tang sespa kenyo pisah kena ke bakatu kenang re dia dekat pat
ngata siwan thek buj bej ngatang ba kwa ngan kham kala kham ha su nadin na chakmat angumta long kata kajing kwa haba sengap kina gi bari ati ba kwa ba pan long ngata
penyak yaki kam kham kloi kin ai ban ya ki kam ban long yarap bikini ki ba dan kam gi bun ki khana menta ki bala pas degree ki meyok kam re ki bun ki ba ya shong tui telong khanang ngi kwa ki ne ki sarkar ki balong yarap na kini ki na benta kini ki nong pule bala dep ki meyok re telong pen yarap ki ki ro ban yok kam long at least kin yo ban ya yo lang ki kam barit ro.
Ka election Lok Sabha keleng ki polling station karib hoi la sakhi ya kajiyami renti jong ki pai ba ban lech shaki polling station ban pendep ya la ka kamram ban yo tap ya la ki vote bat kat kum ka jingkhen bala yo now district election officer karib hoi warpit ubahadaya wala pentip ba hadu ke po sa baje janmet ka jingya poi tap vote ki breu kala kot sha ka ndu posau percent ki pai ba nong tap vote jong kisnong ha block r ka badon ha pedeng ka jingya khaja pot bat ka asam ki kila yo ban pendap ya ka kamram banchet ya ulane ka MP pamikmat ya keslong parliamentary constituency Lok Sabha district election officer karib hoi arpit ubahadaya ula pentip bakathain block r kadai ke bala itu kum ka jaka bala ban mi huri hura enre ka jing tap wot ha ka sing thoding kala ya suk klem kano ka jing penthot.
So today it was a polling day, and all the teams are started reporting back, and the polling has closed till 4 p.m. The voting percentage was 64%, and no untoward incident has been reported. It went very smoothly, it went very fairly, and even in block 2 area, which is the border area, where we had some voters who came from block 2 side, they were also able to come freely, and the percentage of voting is also much better this time.
Angut ki samla na ribhoi ki lapan pau ya kecing ai ha ka ba ki la yo ban tap wot ha ka sngi thoding ha po ka thain ba ki lapan pau ru ya ka jis ngongu ya oblay try ken rat umbala ai ya ka te ka sngi ba kin yo ban lek tap ya ka wot jangki
ngadap da ka jing so komen bangalayo ban vot tas ngi ban kane ka de ka sien baningkong bangalayo ban vot ha ka election but nga khmi linti ru ba kino ki MP ke ba job how news nam kin yalam sha ka jing bha bat ha ka roi ka par jong ka jila meghalaya ha ka baring kong ai ngai ngo yu blei ai lat nga ni ni magan yang ha ka khidmat ha ka sni hoi kunga kumwei nong snong jong ka jela asngo kumbanga dap da jing kermen bangayo kumwei benjit ya kinong mikmat bangai I ke jela ke jongi ke dap da garam sudah bat kadap da jing bam sap sudah dari kemtang la yo benjit yo nong mikmat asngo dap da jing kemen hoi habaning kong asngo ngam sngo thu sngo thau yo eng enjit andre habau bleu lap til lat lengal kelenti ngalawat ke jing tip ya nong enjit tengah sngo dap da jing kermen bangai ta ko
Unong yalam kaseng NPP ubade umentri rangba kajelau konrad ke sangma Ulapoy ha Walba Grip polling station hakapon reach teng minstep bolayeng kumba kanta shiteng bantep yak vote jong.
Laong bau sang mau la poi ha Walba Gre polling station hakapor reach teng minstep da ka jingkremen ba onde ubakloi du bantep vote nap deng ki we pat ki dang tep vote.
I just finished my casting my vote. I was in the line for approximately more than 2 hours, in fact, and you can see that there are many more people still there behind me, and it's good to see the turnout. It's a healthy democratic practice, and I once again urge everybody to kindly come out and do cast their vote in this election.
Are you optimistic about the election results for the
Yes,
National
we are.
People's Party?
Absolutely. We are very, very optimistic. But as I said, we are still in the election. I mean, of course, we're 100 meters away, but still, we're in the election area, so I would not like to comment too much on it.
Ka Kong Magdalene S. Maulong ke Badai Ru ha kejuk kepor ke MDC jong ke NPP kala ai Kublai Kerpang ialah kinong Kershan jong ke NPP kibala mi ban lit tep wot ha ke sengi thok ding na ke benta banjit ya u ne ke MP sha ke lok sabha benta ubnai
Lesh woni kibaro kiperlok kinong Kershan jong ke National People's Party kum ke MDC na ke National People's Party ngelawan ban tep ke vote kalong sha ke ik koridor bat ngit scam kum kinong song snong tu ni shim kya ngin kit kya na ka meta ni ka kam ka babha bat ngit scam ni ka kenti ka pementa kum ni yo I tai long kemi na ka party ka bani don inong sandur kum uri orang ba yen benyale iru kan thai bat ngit scam ba madam an prin in poish ka thong jong ka jing job klam artatien na ka jingra ko jong blay ka jiksen ai jong blay bat ngit scam ki pat ba hiru kinai ka kti ka mon ka kti ka diam na ka menta Dr. Amprin Lingdo
Kashat suk mensiam kabalong kashat niam jong ka sengkasi sengkeme kalakut no ha ka singin kong jong ka Taiew ha ka jing ipu ipieng wat hapedeng Islam kinong yalam kila ong ba don kam ban ya kat kum kani ka juk ka bamenta hinreng im dei pat ban klet no ela ka jong ka tenrai na maladang iklet no ayaka ka jing im jong ubreo kam don jingmut
ia kenela kren ha ka singin kong ka badai ka Khubor shat suk mensim ka ba shispa khatlai bala pelong da ka seng khasi seng kmi hamadan waking ke bala kut no ka shat sumun sin ke ba sispa khat lai kala stang na du khat lai terik bala penkut menta ke sngi ke khat san terik ya yong ha ke jingsim benta da ki bebon belien ki pai ba ke bri uhnyau trep uhnyau skum
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kala kintu ya ka sarkar bakan penkloy ya ka jingerap pisa jongka ka balong South Pole percent ka badai ka medical seat hapo ka PA Sangma International Medical College bar ka hospital ka mansalong Shen balada do no ekanikalat kalong kajing kabakrawi kasamla puli kajala.
We are coming up with Piasangma International Medical College and Hospital, it will be coming in a very big way. Although we could not complete the project, but it is half done. Our hospital is operational. We have 350 bedded hospital is now fully functioning, and the mega project which will be coming by the end of this year. And regarding the MBBS program, the first batch of MBBS program, we have completed all the formalities with the National Medical Council. Government of Meghalaya has extended all support by issuing all the certificates, NOC, essentiality certificate, the drug license, all they have already issued. We have completed all formalities. And the project you were talking about, this Piasangma International Hospital, that is our main focus. We want to make it an international destination. It is a 1100 bedded hospital with 600 plus general IPD beds, and rest are all super specialty. So many eminent doctors already have joined. You can remember Padma Shri Sharvashri Shaharia is a big urologist from Hyderabad. He joined as a pro vice chancellor, and more than 160 doctors already they have joined with us from various hospitals and medical college of Assam and Meghalaya, and from the other states, mainly from Assam. And we are in touch with many eminent doctors from Hyderabad, from Apollo and other hospitals, so that we can make a mix of the expertise, because it's an understanding of the Northeast people that the only quality treatment is in Apollo or somewhere in Delhi and Mumbai or somewhere. So this is our vision. I think it will be clear to the people of Northeastern states, and especially state of Meghalaya, that what type of facility and what type of the talent behind the entire medical college project. We have taken 204 crores loan from the bank, and construction is going on very nicely. We have a understanding with the government of Meghalaya for few seats to be offered free of cost to the students of Meghalaya, which is 40 seats we are going to offer. Only that we are awaiting for the funding support from the state of Meghalaya. Till date is not been made, but we are in constant touch, and some compliance and some document they are asking, we are submitting it. I am very hopeful that if they are helping it very soon, then it will be very good for us to complete the project at earliest, because it's a very big project. And in this particular project, we have offered, if government of Meghalaya is helping us, that will be offering complete free treatment for the patient of the Meghalaya, except medicine, and for super specialty and all kind of other facilities will be offering 50% to the patient of Meghalaya. For example, even today one minister is going for a sophisticated operation or something, even a minister can avail the 50% subsidy in our case. And for the students and for the other the patient from any other states, we are offering charity to the patient, those who are underprivileged. So probably by the end of this month or by beginning of next month, National Medical Council inspection team will come, because they come always in surprised. So we are not knowing when they will come, and hopefully that from this academic session, that NEET which will be held in the month of June, from September onwards will be giving admission first batch of MBBS at Piasangma International Medical College. So please you make a visit and see that how work is going on. And the hospital is nearly 7,20,000 square feet, building separately. Our academic block is nearly 3,50,000, and hostel is building separately 3 lakhs. So it's a nearly 15 lakh square feet will be, I think by the end of this year academic session, if we are our final funding is not a problem. So we are requesting government of Meghalaya to expedite the process and help us when there is a need. Because once we will be getting the badge and students are coming, then we need not take any credit or loan from any sources, because our students will be paying. So we want to have a very good strong bonding with the government of Meghalaya, and because MBBS in a private medical college is very, very expensive. So we want to see that if there is a medical college in the state and at that level, which is unparalleled even in the country, will be unparalleled in the country, what we have targeted, that the students from Meghalaya should not be deprived. because we always offer now in the present state of our university, many students we are giving free education from the state, but these are the all traditional courses. But offering completely free in MBBS, it will be very difficult. So we have discussed with the government of Meghalaya, with the chief minister, with the health minister, and we said that please help us, and this help also for the time being. That will be interest-free loan, it will be returned within a few years' time, but the students from the state will be getting benefit permanently. So it will be a good win-win situation for us, and also we'll get a satisfaction that okay, the students from the state are getting education every year. Otherwise, you will say that in a private medical college, the fee structure starts from minimum 70 lakhs for the whole course. So it will be very difficult for the state students to pay this amount. So if government of Meghalaya is coming up with certain kind of financial support, it will be very good venture, and hope with the blessings of everyone, from this academic session our batch will be started.
Hakani ka Taiew ngin pen kut no ya kani ka thup Khubor da ka bang yuan ra sapi ya kani ka short film kepala ai kerteng kadur.
Lah biang, mesti aku tu lah biang. Ibu ada yui mangga. Untuk besar orang sendiri mesti aku nak Khubor. Ibu orang sendiri sendiri ini. Terus bos tem tata salah saya bisa. Rasanya aku juga. Aku ahli vlogs. Saya bisa. Apa sih? Nggak mali. Wah, shit. Mela, aku apa sih vlogs? Ini store. Kayak ini begini begini.
Apa mau sapun biang kispang? Keren ha?
Ni kunjung pi.
Oh, balai mon.
Dapat sapang ikun badang red rose pelak kumni long hi. Lambat tengah keren phone hadu pi me isu ikun ber alai sajuti ro.
Oh balai kat bangamon kan? Ngakaran phone ru. Sutoi manga. Balai wet cepe.
Nak syuong kan bayi kau ni dengerin. Raja biar nanti sengke badan kali lak kum no.
Oh tadi kum tapat dia. Sutoi kan balai kum no. Kan ni kan jakalek kai ki kelong kena ki mare ya urun seliu. Sakawai ru. Ini kon edai jonga. Dai or ni long kum no ru. La sutoi manga. Hion batai start ni mapi.
Ibu mentah tu mah, dah lak ka phone ni ki kuan ru. Tep ke banjayu tu kan dia pertai mentah teh. Ba, Kelebihan kan mepis di kena sekolah kuliah syuang teh. Doa pi persenrang de compare doa mangai kum yasnam. Kesa. Boleh kan ya? Boleh. Taiew.
Ini kan cuy para jangan. Untuk para memen numpang tilai pujan.
Labiang. Ka akor iyo ka bakum kan ya. Boleh kaya sekolah kum ya? Hah? Nalar kata rok kam tep akor kam tep buram syu hasurok kabaya ki berian nalar kata rok ha ka uniform. Lada tahu para jung ni ulias ni nukran sni kum nuru. Padi me tu ini kayam. Ya tu hau ni kan man jung badan hang ni. Maphi ro kum man. Lada tahu para jung phi ulias ni nukran sni ki para khana skol. Ya tu hai me ipa am. Namar mi tenat ai ru am. Bai khana skol ki le rukdum le rukun sha kum ni. Ya sonam. Apa phi dai khana skol le kum khana skol kan. Ya semua. Tah, ya kedap besok nak kan? Ke ya nak siang. Tak bah, hey. Dai kan mau beri lang kena tu sini, ya semua ni am. Ke. Alat sisa di berum tadi. Kita mudah sih musim itu belum watang kaya ru. Super katang yang ada banyak. Apalah syal ingnya syaki beru mentate. Rangkai. Mitip dan ayo dah bagi jangan. Kita kikot kisah. Kisah ke mengenang hiyo mentah kasih. Adin si bos nama. Musuh saya masih jarang kiwai. Ubur ngumer dan bapa yang nama.
Max, what's going to be a Muslim one show me? No one seemed to hear from Jungwell. Come, boleh? Jai.
Udah ubriu. Ubdan kata kamu simit belum kenyaru. Ubdan kamu sim para ubriu. Mentan hi mentu kabek jangan. Dreunya. Ususang usupan. Melawatan berniarap kenyaru.
Ya rahap.
Dari tangkap taruh. Wadi kelung berdarah melak berniarap. Yang kali sana.
Kong. Saja. Snap menyetu ipi. Ini di persajungan. Buat ulang konsuat. Buat usaha buat ngamen ta. Ndre ke pasang sot menyetu ipi. Buk ni umlaj ban keren. Umla hiru ban yok sngau. Buat umla hiru ban yak. Ban wat ye deru. Ulak klen budai uai. Kumur mudur. Pitarai budang la ban yarap ipi. Ini lei mentau su im tang harngai. U im tang jingdro jemu. Buat ngamla masuk tu. Ayu. Kuat untuk suatu yang lagi ni kucing draw jemu. Nampai pang.
Lagi kerja ibu entah.
Biarap pala para beliau. Ya no bom biarap ni. Dan bok budang lai im. Dini beri besok ima. Max, kamu milakan mau biang. Kamu milak jam. Milakan mau lu cici kiai barang.
Udah ini beri tu betul ke baik juga mana?
Kam sim ni kini gedur. Li aja ke pulit. Nanti sekarang makin yok kami udah ke besuk. Kerana kuas tak sisa.